Hi guys, I'm back and I'm happy that you are here as well with me and my nail fantasy. Today I have for you this stunning multi-chrome chameleon polishes from Beauty Bigbang, and if you want to see them on my nails, just stay tuned. Here we have the first cream and flaky pair, and these are the numbers 005 and 006. Here you go. No, sorry. Yes, it's 6. 006 and 005. You can already see in the bottles, this here's the cream. And I will move them a little because then you see the changing colors, the chameleon, the multi-chrome effect going on here. Pink, gold, green in the flakies and gold, greenish, bronze in the cream. And I have the cream here on my right thumbnail. Look how pretty that is. And I move it so you can see the color changing. Perfect. I have used 2 coats. The creams are a little streaky when you put them on, but when you put over a top coat, you have a really smooth, nice surface, really nice finish, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And you combine it with this flaky. Look how pretty that is. That goes together perfectly. So you can have one accent nails with the flakies or more than one nail with flakies. You can stamp over the cream or over the flakies or everything, whatever you want. The possibilities are endless. I love them. Look how pretty that flaky one is on my thumb here. It goes from green to gold to aubergine, eggplant color. Very, very pretty. After the 3 coats I have with the flakies, I put on a top coat and it's absolutely smooth. The surface is smooth, no wobbles or anything. Really good quality. The next ones I have on my left hand, we have the cream one, which is 003, and the flaky one, which is 009. And here we have Eggplant and Blue, shimmering, gold also. And these are the swatches for the cream. Yeah, I have some fuzzy here in my nail. that happens when you have cats. But I will move it so you can see it. How pretty is that? And of course the awesome flaky one. These flakies are beautiful. What do you think? Look how pretty that is. And the color change is depending how you hold your hands. Today I was shopping for groceries and the lady at the cashier immediately asked me to put my fingers in front of her. She caught a glimpse of those polishes and wanted to see them up close, and she was like, oh, they look so beautiful. The next pair is green, golden. We have 004 and 010. And the cream one here is golden, green, and olive color. Really a dark green, an olive color, khaki olive color, and golden shimmer. And here the flakies are golden, light green, shimmery, but mostly in the green. They don't actually change color to anything different here. But it's a really pretty combination, these two together. Let me put my fingers here, that one out of the side. Look how pretty that is. Very nice. Next hand, we have more of the blue tones, and we start with these 002 for the cream and 007 for the blue flakies. And here the cream goes from dark purple to gold to blue, which is what I have here. This is the swatch. There you can see it. So pretty. Here down at the bottom you see a little hint of the gold as well. It's always hard to do these. And also here on my middle finger. And this one is a little hard to see. It's really hard to capture that purple. I try to move my finger a little more for you. Let's try this side. Ah yeah, see? Here, you can see it in the bottle here. On the finger it's a little harder to see like that. I have to see how to move my nail so you can see it. Here we go. I think here you can see that my finger is also having this gorgeous, gorgeous purple shade. It's there, believe me. And then the last two, we have 001 and 008. And these are teal. Mermaid teal is the first thing I thought about when I saw those. Look how pretty that is. Cassie, if you are watching this, this one would be perfect for you. Look. Teal and purple. I mean, wow. Awesome. Awesome shade. Gonna move the bottle for you as well. Here you can see it right down in the middle here. And also golden hints in here. Awesome. And then we have the flaky one, and I don't even need to do anything. Look. Blue, purple, gold, teal, shimmer. Awesome. Awesome. I can't even pick a favorite if I wanted to. I will do some stamping now to show you how you can incorporate these polishes into your nail art. And I thought about putting some lace designs on my left hand and some mermaid scales, mermaid fishtail, mermaid on my right hand. We will have gold stamping over here and we will have a silver stamping on those. As always, I will speed up the video during the stamping, the quick stamping, and I'll see you afterwards. I have done some sample stamping on all of my nails just to show you how the different designs will look over these polishes. These polishes are absolutely stunning without any stamping, but in this case, look at this. This design with all these fine lines really highlights the flaky polish underneath. Perfect. I also like these lace designs over these polishes. Very pretty. All the designs where you can see a lot of polish coming through. On this polish here, the stamping is not as visible as it is on the others. And you can also see the multichrome going on here. And on this side, I was right about that with the fish scales. Look how pretty that is. Over this blue purple shimmery. Then I have my little mermaids. They hold hands and play together. It's a little awkward because this is my right hand and I have to somehow put it in here so you can still see the multichrome going on. It's still there. Perfect. And this teal one here on my pinky. Here we go. Here it's shimmering. You have to be very close so you can see it. That's why it's a little awkward to do it with the mermaids. Here we go. What do you think? It's hard for me to pick a favorite of these polishes. I couldn't if I wanted to. They are all stunning. I love them. So many possibilities. You can also do, of course, some negative space designs that will really make the base pop. This would be another suggestion. Anyway, that was it for this video. All the product links again in the description box below. Also, the stamping plates I used and the stamping polishes I used will be listed below. And I would like to warmly thank Lisa for sending me this surprise package with these absolutely stunning polishes. Thank you so much, Lisa. It was a pleasure to review them. That was it for today. If you have any further questions or comments, just leave them in the comments box below. I would be happy if you give me a thumbs up in case you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. There will be a bubble with my picture popping up at the end. Doesn't cost you anything and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are and ta-ta till next time.